Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Corcoran, local and long-distance movers near me. Getting the best cheap Corcoran moving company doesn't need to be so hard. 3 Movers strives to make sure your local or long-distance move goes without problems. We provide the proper services for any type of move, whether commercial or residential. Our crews work with veterans, homeowners, small business owners, renters, veterans, and lots of other types of clients. Whether you want to move to a small apartment, big house, or your company, we're available to assist you. Our reliable movers know how to ensure that your long-distance move doesn't include all the stress. Regardless of how far you need to move, our qualified movers will make sure it's a lot simpler. With us, you'll get all the best moving services to make moving a lot easier. If you're searching for a general move or a full-service move, we offer all the choices you require, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. However, after a close look at the main perks of hiring a local moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. You are definitely going to save time with your local relocation if you hire a moving company. It will also prevent you from having to deal with heavy lifting. Our moving team can make it very easy to reach your new location without having nearly as much concern. 3 Movers knows how to streamline your move. Even though your move is large enough that it may take you all week, we can get it done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Corcoran moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.